can't wait for this ride. But look at this. Look at this nice scenery right here while we take this stroll.
They even have a waterfall.
I know, this is awesome.
2 waterfalls.
I cannot wait to get on this ride. We have been waiting to get on this for months.
BB-8, prep the ready room for recruits. Commander 9-9, please report back to IGS cockpit.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a first-order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pokhara. I'll regroup with you there.
I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
There he is.
Deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Initiate pre-flight sequence on Deck 3 for Pokhara. Deck 3, you're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company. First order TIE fighters. Reroute. Reroute. Round 2, Blue 5. We got a clear path for transport to make the jump. They're all over us.
We lost Red 2. More incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake your Blue.
I'm trying.
We lost Blue 5. I'm going to try to drive them away.
Copy that. Get us clear.
We'll get some friends and make us a fair fight. Don't worry, I'm coming back for you. Stay strong.
Is there anything we can do, 9-9? No, the tractor beam will be too strong. It's worth a shot. For the other nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Resistance sympathizers, your pathetic excuse for a transport, it now belongs to the First Order. As for all of you, you're heading directly to interrogation. You have information we need. You'll give it to us, or we'll take it from you. Regardless, you're wasting my time here. Everyone off of the ship.
Wow. This is insane. I guess so, yeah.
Enemies of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
The Resistance is saving us.
Transport and supervise your children.
Here we go, baby. Wow, look.
Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners.
Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Priority alert. Detachment to level D. There they are! Fire! The escape pods just below us. Take yours down. We're coming you. Hurry! No, not up! I said down!
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Round the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits.
Wow.
Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know, Scaffer is talking.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5.
What do you think about
too.
that?